Black.
Come on now.
Highlighted hoodie.
Come on now.
Just tried to kick in the door of the detached garage.
This is where I park every day. This is where my brother-in-law parks every day. This is our two spaces right here.
Not the caller's garage.
This is her car. Can you come look and see how close she parked to my car?
Okay.
No, I can't get out. This is...
Who's the black car?
This is his car. This is her husband's car, whoever he is. Now, this is mine.
I'll go talk to him.
Now, I'm trying to leave and I can't get out.
Can you guys move one of these for me? Can you guys move one of your cars so you can get out?
I have a picture of them hitting my car.
Okay, when did that happen?
Just when I parked my car behind there, that's the reason I did it. Because she had way too much room for her car to be so close to mine, and when I asked them out the window, they kept walking.
When did that happen?
Just, what, like an hour ago, I in my phone.
Was there any damage?
Yeah, it was touching. They said, look.
Is there damage?
Go look.
Well, come show me. Come show me. Come show me the damage.
You can go, it's right there. Go look
well,
at the car. I'm not coming in
Printed
there.
at 103, 105, or 108.
Okay. You're trying to tell me that there's damage on your car, but you're not willing to show me where the damage is.
Need MCR on your 34.
What can I do to fix this problem if you're not going to show me anything? You could have just called instead of trying to take this upon yourself.
Is it illegal? It's not. Go now.
All right.
Go to house.
I'll see if I can find something there. Yeah.
This is my car right here.
Officer,
hold on,
they got cameras. Hold on, ask to see it if it's really an issue.
Chill.
Usually they park behind me, and I be trying to leave room for myself to get out because he has a long car, and my car's kind of short. So I be trying to leave space, and we try to park behind the gate.
Okay. Oh, it is. Hey guys, come on. Hey bub. Go back up.
Listen to what I'm about to say.
Is that your silver car?
This is the same picture you got, Carlos.
Okay.
That is.
Hey, listen.
That's the same picture you got, Carlos.
All right, listen. That car back there is more than 12 inches from the curb. It's about to get towed unless you move it right now. All right, you got about 30 seconds.
30 seconds?
Yeah. All right, I'm going to get my ticket book. Go get your keys right now and move that car. It's got a parking violation on it.
Toya! Give me your fucking keys! Go in the house. I know, but you know stop. This don't.
Y'all got out your comfort zone just to move that car from there to here.
I'm with you.
And then move it so she can't get out. That's petty.
You guys gonna move this car now? They're moving this one. I shouldn't have warned him. I'm sorry.
Yeah, you shouldn't.
I should have just towed it.